Afternoon out there. As you can see, the winds directly from a westerly direction. We're waiting for more of a northwesterly direction by later on tonight. But we're nearly at 50 in Deming, 44 in Las Cruces. Look at here in El Paso at 56. And up in elevation, we got 54 up in the Sacramento Mountains, at least up in Ruidoso. Now, as the sun begins to get lower in the sky, those temperatures going to cool. The frontal system just passed us by a little while ago. It was a little late coming. We thought it would be a little bit earlier in the morning, but it allowed our temperatures to climb to 75. Behind that front, behind the colder air now, we have 66 out there in Ruidoso and Las Cruces, 61 out in Deming, and 58 up at TRC. So the winds will have a bite to it. We're going to have some wind chills tonight. If you're going to be heading out, certainly take at least a lighter jacket with you. Here's how it looks out there for the rest of tonight. Notice those temperatures going to continue to cool. The winds, they're going to still be elevated up until later on tonight. It's going to be after midnight before they start to come down in the 30-mile-an-hour range. But you can see on our latest wind gust tracker, this is looking at 9 o'clock tonight. And notice the winds. All right, we're coming down just a bit, but enough of a wind, certainly still in the windy category, to make it feel colder out there. And you can see as we make our way into the early morning hours, this is midnight tonight, and you can see how the winds continue to relax. 5 o'clock in the morning, we're still seeing some occasional breezes around parts of town. So as those temperatures get down to right around freezing, again, we'll have some wind chills very early in the morning hours. By tomorrow afternoon, the wind shouldn't be really much of an issue, and they're not going to be much of an issue until later in the day Thursday when the winds start to shift more to an easterly direction. So you folks on the west side of town will get some pretty gusty conditions. Visibility. We have visibility better than 1 mile, so we're not seeing any severe problems out there. But if you look at our wind gust tracker as far as the blowing sand and dust, you'll notice how things will improve by 9 o'clock tonight. We'll bring in some of that colder air. It's denser air. That will allow the dust and sand to begin to settle out there. So really by 11 o'clock, maybe Horizon City, Fabens, Tornillo will have a little bit more dust and sand that'll be elevated out there, but we're not going to have a problem as we look ahead to tomorrow. Will be a cooler day tomorrow, but we're not going to be looking at any extreme winds. All right, in the wind department tomorrow, 35. That'll be just after midnight, very early in the morning hours. Then Thursday, 30-mile-an-hour gust out of the east, so that'll be on the west side of town, and the winds generally breezy as we make our way into the upcoming holiday weekend. Let's talk about temperatures quickly for tomorrow morning. Look at these temperatures. Some areas right around freezing. You folks in Doña County out in southern New Mexico, you're going to be looking at quite a few 20s in there by tomorrow morning. So if you do have some plants, tomato plants that you put out, you might want to cover them up, or if you can, take them in if they're in some potted plants. 64 tomorrow, Thursday 74, 74 in here on Good Friday. Then the upcoming holiday weekend, Easter Sunday, looking good at 82 degrees, mainly sunny skies. Mark.
All right, Doppler.